Hello, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide any payment methods based on delivery types at the Shopify checkout using PayRules. In this video, we use cash on delivery as an example. At first, click on the Add a New Rule button. Now click on the Add a New Condition button. Then select Delivery Types. Now add your desired collections from the Collections field. We will select Local Pickup. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. Now go to the Payment Method section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. Now let's test our rule. Currently, we can see Cash on Delivery is visible because the delivery type is set to shipping. Let's switch it to Pickup and observe the change. As expected, the Cash on Delivery option disappears because we've chosen Pickup as our delivery type. That's it, a simple way to manage payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find WhatsApp and Facebook details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!